Good morning, everyone. How are you today? This morning, I'm going to change out our front window box. I had sweet potato vine that was growing here, and boy, those take over your whole window box. I think I was trimming it every week. It would start to travel across the window box, and then of course it just grew long, and I was always trimming it. Pulled that out. I had a few caladiums. I pulled those out. I have one sitting back here. I'm going to have to find a pot or somewhere in the landscape to put those. I think for my zone, I don't have to winter them over. They'll be okay during the winter here. Our winters are mild enough. I'm going to plant a gold Monterey cypress in the middle, some creeping Jenny. I have a few of the violas left over from when I did the calendula, some yellow begonias, and some white snapdragon. All these should carry me through winter. I don't think I'm going to change it out until spring. I took nearly 2/3 of the soil out. You probably can see it in the bucket down below, and replaced it with fresh soil, and I normally use recipe 420. I'm going to figure out exactly where I'm going to plant them, and we'll get going. I was able to fit 12 violas in here. Probably hard to tell, they're real small, but now that they've been put in the window box, they'll probably grow a little bit better. The creeping Jenny will eventually travel down. The one in my back, near my back tool shed, I think has grown at least 2-3 feet down. The Monterey gold cypress will grow up to 20 to 30 feet tall and 8 feet wide. It does grow slowly. I'll probably pull it out come summertime and put something different in there. I hope you guys are having a really good week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye!